The iconic Route 66, a symbol of American freedom, hides a dark secret of environmental devastation. For decades, this legendary highway has beckoned travelers with promises of adventure and nostalgia. But beneath the glittering facade of roadside diners and vibrant murals lies a hidden ecological crisis. This isn't just about asphalt and scenic overlooks. It's about the unintended consequences of our pursuit of the open road. The very beauty we seek on these journeys is being systematically degraded. We're talking about a slow-motion disaster unfolding along thousands of miles of picturesque routes. Environmental experts have been sounding the alarm for years, but their warnings often get lost in the roar of passing engines. What exactly is happening to these beloved ribbons of highway? It begins with the sheer volume of vehicle traversing these routes daily and yearly. Each car, truck, and RV contributes tiny particles of pollution to the air and soil around them. Imagine a constant, invisible mist settling over the landscape, day after day, year after year. This cumulative effect is far more damaging than most people realize. Furthermore, the construction and maintenance of these roads themselves have significant impacts. Clearing land for new routes destroys habitats, fragmenting ecosystems and endangering wildlife populations. Runoff from paved surfaces carries oil, grease, and tire debris directly into nearby waterways. This pollution poisons aquatic life and degrades water quality for miles downstream. But that's not the strangest part of this unfolding story. Consider the issue of waste generated by millions of tourists visiting these scenic destinations. Litter, from plastic bottles to discarded food wrappers, accumulates along the roadsides. This isn't just unsightly. It poses a direct threat to animals that ingest or become entangled in it. Many creatures mistake colorful plastic for food, leading to starvation and internal injuries. Then there are the invasive species, inadvertently transported by travelers on their tires and vehicles. These foreign plants and insects can outcompete native species, drastically altering local ecosystems. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding the economic pressures. Local communities often rely heavily on tourism revenue generated by these routes. This economic dependence can sometimes lead to short-sighted decisions regarding environmental protection. Prioritizing immediate profits might mean overlooking long-term ecological sustainability. The delicate balance between economic development and environmental preservation is constantly tested. Scientists have observed significant declines in biodiversity in areas with heavy tourist traffic. Rare plants are trampled, and sensitive animal breeding grounds are disturbed by human presence. The constant hum of traffic can disrupt natural behaviors like bird migration and predator-prey interactions. It's like trying to have a quiet conversation in the middle of a rock concert, and then something unexpected happened, a growing movement to fight back. Conservation groups and dedicated individuals are working tirelessly to mitigate these impacts. They organize roadside cleanups, advocate for stricter regulations, and promote sustainable tourism practices. Reforestation projects are underway in some areas to restore damaged habitats. Educational campaigns aim to raise public awareness about the environmental footprint of road trips. Many are calling for stricter enforcement of anti-littering laws and responsible waste disposal. The goal is to ensure these beautiful routes can be enjoyed by future generations without irreversible damage. This shift in focus highlights the growing understanding of our interconnectedness with nature. It's a recognition that our adventures should not come at the expense of the planet's health.
The impact is profound. Fragile ecosystems are slowly recovering in some protected zones.
Wildlife corridors are being established to help animals move safely across fragmented landscapes. The visual blight of litter is slowly receding in areas with active cleanup initiatives. This offers a glimmer of hope for the future of these iconic highways. It demonstrates that collective action can indeed make a significant difference. We are beginning to see a positive change, a turning of the tide. The long-term consequences of unchecked development are being re-evaluated. This movement emphasizes the need for responsible travel and mindful exploration. The very essence of the open road experience is being redefined. It's about appreciating the journey while also protecting the destination. The question remains, can we truly balance our wanderlust with our environmental responsibilities? Breathtaking, protecting these natural landscapes depends on the wonders is crucial for choices we make now. Breathtaking, protecting these natural landscapes depends on the wonders is crucial for choices we make now, maintaining their allure. These iconic routes offer more than just a drive. They are windows into our planet's soul. The controversy surrounding them forces us to confront our impact on the environment. Ultimately, the preservation of these scenic highways is a shared responsibility. The road ahead demands conscious effort from travelers, communities, and authorities alike. This complex issue requires a commitment to sustainable practices for lasting beauty. The fight to protect these natural treasures is ongoing and vital. Our actions today will determine the views tomorrow.
If you found this exploration of road trip controversies eye-opening, please consider subscribing for more fascinating stories.
Fascinates people consider most subscribing for more fascinating stories.
Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.